Hey home bakers, there's something about the bright, zesty flavor of lemon that instantly lifts your mood. Today I'm making a lemon coconut cake, a soft, fluffy lemon coconut sponge filled with homemade lemon curd, covered in a smooth lemon buttercream frosting and finished with a layer of desiccated coconut for extra texture. If you love a perfect balance of citrus and coconut, this cake is for you. Alright, let's get baking. Let's start with the dry ingredients: sieving flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Sifting ensures everything is lump-free and helps the dry ingredients mix evenly into the batter. Give it a quick mix to combine. Now for the wet ingredients, add the butter in a bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a pedal attachment. Beat it on medium speed just until it's smooth and creamy. Then add the sugar and continue beating at medium speed until the mixture becomes pale and fluffy. With the mixer still running, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. This ensures they are fully incorporated into the mixture. Once all the eggs are well incorporated, I like to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl. This ensures nothing is left behind before adding the rest of the ingredients. Now we can add the citrus ingredients: lemon extract, fresh lemon juice, and lemon zest. These will give the cake a fresh, zesty flavor. Give it a quick mix to combine the citrus ingredients into the batter. We will gradually add the coconut milk and dry ingredients mixed alternately into the batter, starting and ending with the dry mix. Mix gently after each addition to keep the batter smooth and avoid overmixing, ensuring a light, tender texture. Once both the coconut milk and dry ingredients are added, mix just until combined, then stop the mixer. Gently fold in the desiccated coconut using a silicone spatula. This not only boosts the coconut's flavor, but also gives the cake a moist, tender crumb. As you fold, make sure to scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl to ensure everything is evenly mixed. You will know it's ready when there are no traces of flour remaining. To get 2 even cake layers, I like to weigh the batter and divide it evenly into 2 lined baking pans, but if you would prefer, you can always just eyeball it. Once you are happy with the batter, smooth the tops slightly, then bake the cakes in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius fan for about 35 to 40 minutes or until they turn golden brown on top. They smell absolutely incredible. Let's take a moment to appreciate them. Beautifully baked, zesty, with a warm nutty coconut aroma that's just irresistible. Let the cakes sit in the pan for about 15 minutes to settle. When they are cool enough to handle, remove them from the pans. Peel off the parchment paper and let them cool completely on a wire rag. We will start by adding a pinch of salt to the icing sugar. This helps balance the sweetness. Then beat the butter at medium speed until it's pale and creamy. This creates a light, airy base for the frosting, making it smooth and easy to spread. With the mixer running, gradually add the icing sugar, beating continuously until it's all fully incorporated. But I found that adding the icing sugar with the mixer running made it fly everywhere. So instead, I stop the mixer, add the sugar, and use a silicone spatula to gently press it into the butter first. Then I turn the mixer back on and continue beating. It works so much better. Once all the icing sugar is added, continue beating until it's light, creamy, and perfectly smooth. Now add the lemon extract and lemon juice for a burst of refreshing citrus flavor in the frosting. Give it a quick mix until it's fully incorporated. Last but not least, add the double cream to give the frosting a smooth, velvety texture and a creamy richness, making it even more delicious. Beat until the frosting is silky and uniform in texture. You will know it's ready when it's smooth and creamy and has a spreadable consistency. You can either use it right away or store it in the refrigerator until you are ready to use it. I like using this icing bag tie to securely seal the piping bag. It keeps everything neat and mess-free. One of the highlights of this cake is the homemade lemon curd. It doesn't just add an extra burst of citrus flavor, but also gives the cake a fresh sunshine look. It's so addictive and it only takes a handful of ingredients. Surprisingly, it's so easy to make. Of course, you can use the store-bought one, but if you want to see how I make my own, you can click to watch the video, or I will add the link in the descriptions below so you can watch it after this video. Now the cakes are cooled, we will trim the tops to achieve even layers and give the cake a professional finish. Here I have my cake turntable. It's a great investment in my opinion. It makes decorating so much easier. It allows me to smoothly frost the cake, create even designs, and comfortably access all sides without moving the cake itself. Start by running a long serrated knife horizontally along the edge of the cake while gently turning it. Once you reach the starting point, gently slice through the center. The top should come off cleanly. You can keep the top, it's delicious on its own. Look at the cake, super moist, smells amazing, and perfectly golden with that irresistible coconut aroma. Before decorating, I set a non-slip mat and place my reusable acrylic cake board on top. It's clear, available in various sizes, and perfect for easy cake transfer, plus it's a more sustainable choice. Alright, the cakes are trimmed. Everything is ready. Let's decorate. And there you have it. I hope you will give this lemon coconut cake a try. It's a perfect blend of zesty citrus and creamy coconut, and that homemade lemon curd takes it to the next level. You can find the recipe in the descriptions below, along with all the tips to help you achieve perfect results. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with fellow home bakers. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always here to help, and your question might help someone else too. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so we never miss a chance to bake together. As always, thank you so much for being here. Your support means the world to me. If you love classic flavors with a twist, I'm sure you will love my Victoria sponge. Light, fruity, and absolutely delicious. Click the screen to watch it now. See you there. Happy baking!